Yo, what's up everybody? I'm in Singapore again. This is like almost maybe more than 20 times when I visited Singapore, and I'm staying in Grand Central Hotel on Orchard Road, which is one of my favorite budget hotels in Singapore. A lot of time I used to stay with Winnie there, so it's also a lot of memories for me. I feel a little bit like I come back to Singapore one more time for the very first time. And this is my hotel where I stay, Hotel Grand Central, the Chinese hotel, but very nice. And I'm gonna show you a little bit inside right now because I arrived a few hours ago, but I was resting, and I'm gonna show you what is outside, why this is the best location and the value for money what you can get, because this is already the Orchard Road just outside of the hotel. So this is Grand Central inside, my favorite hotel and the favorite room. I stay here so many times, especially with Winnie. So this is one of the first hotels we used to stay, and one of my favorite one actually. Simple old Chinese hotel, but facing directly the Orchard Road. Just walking there is the Somerset 313 and Orchard Mall, and there will be Plaza Singapura. This is Concord Hotel actually. So overall this is great spot, and actually the view is pretty nice for Singapore standards. It's just slightly more expensive than the Hotel 81 or the Ibis, so not bad actually. If you go there, that direction, there will be Plaza Singapura and so many bars and the restaurant and the malls itself. But here is also some food option, and it's 7-Eleven, just 1 minute walking from the hotel, ATM, everything is here. In the background you can see Hilton, Somerset 313 Mall and the Orchard Gateway, and you can walk. This is the most popular street in whole entire Singapore basically, so everything is here in walking distance. Is the most convenient place you can stay basically. This is the entrance actually to Orchard Gateway Mall. As the post office there, this little park actually, but it's night already, and all the center is there. It's basically almost 10 p.m. midweek, so it's working quick. In the background you can see all the malls and the offices. Hilton Hotel in the background. Of course Hilton is better than my hotel, but mine is budget one obviously, and all the shops, everything is here. Even some people drive the Harleys here. Within less than 5 minutes of walking you have a Peranakan place, which is the mix between three cultures, Singaporean, Malay, Chinese, Malay and Indian little bit. The main street, really cool place, and it's just 5 minutes walking from my hotel, so you can feel a little bit of everything, staying in the good right place. But of course, considering how much I pay for my hotel, which was $140, it's just $30 more expensive than any Hotel 81 or the Ibis, which is good value for money basically. To be honest, that's why me and Winnie used to stay a lot of and many times. And also this place of Singapore is really cool. This is Somerset 313. This is where I'm going right now. I just need to cross the street. There is also a metro, and then you can walk also inside the small valley over there. But during the daytime looks a little bit better. Overall, as you can see, Orchard in general, Orchard Street is the paradise for the shoppers. This is just the little bit of the street. You can walk for about 45 minutes if you wanna cross whole entire road. But now crossing the street time. When it's green, it's green. It was rainy also recently, but it's 35-degree hot. And the decorations are already for the Christmas, but they are not light up yet. You can get to 313 here as well, Orchard Gateway. When I have a look little bit of my favorite little mall, 323 actually, Somerset. This is how they look like. There's the 7-Eleven, there's the Orchard Road, Somerset Road actually. Orchard Road is on the other side. Over there is the Orchard Road. So many nice restaurants, and this Marche Swiss restaurant is the place where I'm gonna have a coffee, I think so, right now. So this is my favorite mall, 313 Somerset, and this is the place where I'm gonna go today having some coffee. Usually I have a coffee here, but I just realized, actually so funny, as down there is the restaurant. And they have actually very cool decorations recently already for Halloween, but they have ships like in Switzerland, because this is Swiss restaurant actually. But look at this one, these ships are moving actually, so cute. Very cute place in general, and doggo is moving the head. This is like a very cool place, and this is the entrance actually. They have a pickles and everything, but the loud music, and this is the entrance. So that's the place inside. There is section with the juices. This is the Swiss restaurant actually, but with the nice decor actually, and so many fresh food selections you can choose. They can cook for you whatever you want. But looks, I come back from Europe to Singapore and I feel like I'm back in Europe again. Look at these cakes actually here. So nice. Everything is actually here very affordable for Singaporean standards, obviously. Don't take me wrong. Oh, they even have a Bundaberg from Australia. Here we go. That's my favorite one. Bundaberg. And the Coke and German beers and beer and wine selection. And the savory and pizza and pasta. They can cook for you. Everything is fresh. Everything is in Singaporean standards, guys, anyway. So you know what I'm talking about. So you can have a schnitzel. Here you go. If you live in Asia, you can have a chicken schnitzel and pork schnitzel actually. So that's quite hot, that's schabowy, no? Actually, yeah. You can have it everything, and a lot of interesting sitting arrangements here. Pretty cool place actually. Oh, they even bring the wheat. This is what we have it in Poland. But this is Swiss, German, Poland is very similar. So that's how does it look like actually. Oh, potatoes, they cook for you. Very interesting place. Also they having German pretzels. I had one of those squish pretzels, so good. Bruschetta, breads they can cook, and the Polish sausages and pumpkin soup. And the sausages there, so cool. A lot of cool stuff, and very cool place in general, guys, I'm gonna tell you. And also that's like a basement arrangement here with the winery and everything, and the seats here. Very cool. Entrance was cool. The inside the place is also very cool. That's for sure. They even have a space dedicated for the kids and the nice decorations with the mountains in Singapore like this one. So cool. Actually cool. This Marché cafe, actually restaurant, the Swiss style is very cool. Not too expensive and very cool style vibe, especially if you wanna feel the European vibe. However, I just come back from Europe, but still, it's always to try it out. I made so many videos in Singapore in the past 2 years, actually 3 years. So don't worry, I used to try all the hawker centers and everything. You can check this out. But anyway, today I just wanna show you a little bit of the Orchard Road at night, because tomorrow I'm flying back to Bali. That's life. Actually, I'm supposed to sleep right now, but I'm making videos for you. I'm gonna show you a little bit more of the Orchard Road. At least it's after rain right now. That's a little bit of the situation of the one of the main junctions here on Orchard Road. In the background is the Pullman and Hilton Hotel. The Somerset 3 and 3 was there, and there is also Pan Pacific Hotel. But let's cross the junction, especially where it's busy. I really like to film those junctions. There's so many people. Singapore always have a special place for me. Even I'm from Europe, just somehow I really feel good here. It's just very hot, but this is nothing new in general. And you can go up to Ion Mall over there, and the central of Orchard, where all the fancy hotels, Marriott's ones and many others are here. As you can see, actually Pullman Holiday Inn already starting here, so you can stay also here, but of course the price range will be a little bit different, obviously more higher, but this one is even better location basically. Also the shops are changing now. You can find already the Hilton. This was actually the Mandarin Hotel a long time ago. I used to stay here when I was Mandarin. Now it's Hilton after pandemic. Some nice decorations. This is like a time in Singapore after the Formula 1 week and before Christmas. I'm not sure if they're making decorations for Halloween, but the decorations for Christmas slowly they already appearing. 10 p.m. traffic on Singapore. In Singapore on the roads looks like this one. Busy, not busy, not too bad for Asia, right? But technically more and more you're gonna go, there will be more malls and more people, because the heart of the Orchard Road is just over there, like another 10 minutes walk. But I used to make so many videos like this one, so just wanted to show you how does it look like end of October 2023, because now I don't know when next time I'm gonna be here. Maybe soon, or maybe long time. But this is one of the junction. Actually, I like to film the traffic in Singapore. This is how does it look like, and the big Gucci store. Actually, this is the more busier part of the Orchard Road than the previous what I showed you. As you can see, actually 10 p.m. in Singapore, middle of the week. Also, whenever I'm coming to Singapore, I'm always gonna meet some of my friends who always gonna find time for me to meet me, but after 5, because they work obviously, and in Singapore after 5 people have a time, and usually Orchard Road is the most easiest, convenient for them and for me. So whenever I stay in Orchard Road, on Orchard Road summer is the best, but if I stay last time on Joe Chat, which is also okay, I save $30 on the hotel, but I spend on transportation 10, so it's actually $20 saving, which just doesn't make sense if you're talking about a low budget, because of course many people coming to Singapore, they can pay $500, $600, $1,000 per night, and it's no problem for them. So I'm just saying, if you're looking for a budget option, I'm gonna tell you guys, not gonna lie, I'm start feeling jet lag right now. I'm generally tired. I'm awake for more than 36 hours or something without sleep. Couldn't sleep at the plane at all. So I'm gonna finish this one. Don't wanna overforce myself, hope so you understand. But this is Singapore. Tomorrow I'm flying back to Bali, another video. I'm also gonna film a little bit in Singapore, so don't worry. Thanks so much, see you tomorrow.